Clean equals clarity. Clean keeps a hearing aid functioning at its best. So what happens if you don't clean them? Well, you'll likely have a hearing aid with low or no sound. That's why you want to maintain your hearing aids by cleaning at least once a week. For your weekly cleanings, keep it simple. Just brush the entire hearing device. First, let's start with the part that most often gets clogged, the earbud. Next, brush the back of the device, where your microphone ports are. It may look clean, but small particles can build up in there over time, so it is good to go ahead and brush anyway. And that's it, as long as your hearing aids continue to sound great. But if your hearing device still does not sound quite right, let's show you how to do a deeper cleaning. Next, carefully remove the earbud without tugging the wire. Then, remove the old filter by gently pressing the pick into the hole of the white wax filter. Then, flip the black stick and push gently to insert the new filter. For the last step, put the earbud back on the hearing aid. Gently brush your fingers over the earbud to ensure that they do not come off easily. And that's it. Got questions or need help? Give us a call.